Hello. We are leftover energy. We turn food waste into biogas. This is our team members. Have you ever noticed how much food we waste after meals? Leftovers are often thrown away without thinking of the consequences. Imagine if every piece of leftover food could be used again to light a home or cook another meal. That is what our project focuses on. We turn everyday food waste into clean biogas that can be used for cooking in daily life. With this idea, we hope to reduce waste while also creating a useful source of energy that anyone can use. Food waste is not focused on as much as other types of waste. When food waste is thrown away, it produces methane gas, which is 28 times more harmful than carbon dioxide. Household kitchens, restaurants, and local markets are the main sources of this waste, especially in urban and rural areas with poor waste management. In Bangkok, food waste makes up around 49% of the city's daily waste, which is roughly 4,500 tons per day. Reports from the Bangkok Metropolitan Administration and a study by the Bangkok Post show that food waste in the city continues to increase and needs a serious solution. Our solution is a mini biogas digester that turns food waste into biogas for everyday use. The gas produced can power stoves, small lamps, or even small generators. The design is affordable and low cost for households and communities. It reduces methane emissions and encourages everyone to follow more sustainable habits. The digester uses the feed method. First, fill, food waste and water are put inside the digester. Second, enclose, the digester is sealed so that bacteria can start producing gas. Third, extract, the biogas inflates the bottle and becomes ready to use for cooking. Fourth, distribute, the leftover slurry can be used as natural fertilizer for plants. This way, nothing is wasted and everything becomes useful. We provide food digesters that are affordable for households and support sustainability. Recycled materials can be used to make the machine, which helps reduce unnecessary new plastics. The size of the machine is small, so it can be used in condominiums or apartments. It's easy to use and accessible for everyone. It's also cost-efficient because it is cheaper than using normal gas. The price is $22 per piece. Using this digester, customer can save up to $44 per year in gas bill. Our target market includes small households of 3 to 5 people. It also includes local food vendors and street stalls that produce food every day. Cafes and small restaurants can benefit from turning their food waste into energy. Urban gardeners and plant lovers can also use the fertilizer after the biogas process. These groups are our main customers because they all have food waste that can be turned into something valuable. Next is an example for our customer persona. Ms. Mary, a housewife of family of 4. Her pain is her children won't finish their meals and leftovers cause her house to get stinky. Using our digester can reduce her pain. For our competitors, as you can see from the slide, most competitors in the market focus on large-scale biodigester machines that designed for factories, farms, and industrial facilities. These systems are built to process huge amounts of food waste every day, which makes them expensive, complex to operate, and unsuitable for everyday users. Leftover energy takes a completely different approach. We are designed specifically for households and small restaurants that generate a smaller but consistent amount of food waste. Our product is compact and easy to install. This gives users the freedom to turn their daily waste into clean energy, without needing a big space or professional maintenance. We make sustainable energy access possible for regular people, not just big companies. Precedence research show that the food waste management market size in 2025 is $87 billion. It is expected to grow to $153 billion by 2034. That is a 6.5% compound annual growth rate. The market is becoming bigger each year because more people want better food waste management solutions. Our marketing plan begins by introducing leftover energy within local communities, such as universities and nearby neighborhoods, where people can see the system working in real life. By starting small, we can directly communicate with our first users, collect feedback, and build trust around the product. Once the product gains recognition at the community level, we will expand our presence online. Our team will create engaging content to help customers understand the impact of food waste and the benefits of clean energy. This strategy will increase awareness and encourage more users to take actions. As our brand grows, we aim to bring the product into educational centers. Schools and learning communities will be able to use leftover energy as a tool to teach students about sustainability, giving more people the opportunity to learn and purchase the product. After establishing success in Thailand, we plan to scale internationally and reach users in other regions who face similar food waste problems. Our mission is clear: to educate people about the environmental damage caused by food waste and to provide a simple, accessible solution to reduce that problem. For our future plan, in 2025, we will focus on creating a strong local impact. Our goal is to introduce the digester to nearby communities and work closely with early users to collect feedback. This will help us improve the product and accurately measure how much food waste we are able to reduce at the household level. In 2026, once we enhance the system based on real user experience, we plan to expand our reach to communities around Bangkok. This will allow us to support more households and small restaurants in turning their daily food waste into clean energy. By 2027, we aim to distribute the product across Thailand, targeting schools and communities that can benefit from both the energy generation and educational value. During this stage, we will also provide different sizes of the digester to reach new customer groups, including bigger restaurants and food businesses that produce larger amounts of waste. In 2028, our plan is to step into global expansion. We will introduce the product to neighboring countries that face similar food waste challenges, helping more people turn what they throw away into a valuable resource. This growth strategy supports our long-term goal, creating a wider, positive environmental impact throughout the region. Remember, one meal's waste can cook your next meal. Join us in turning leftover into light. Support leftover energy and help create a cleaner, greener future. We are Team Leftover Energy from Tainichi International College. To contact us, please look on the slide presented. Thank you very much for your time.